The Pinot Noir program is a 5-year research program carried out by the Bragado Research Institute. It is co-funded by the Ministry of Business, Innovation and Employment and New Zealand wine growers with a total funding of $10.3 million. Traditionally, it's been observed that when producing Pinot Noir grapes, a high yield in the vineyard doesn't equally translate to high quality wines. This is what we call the production quality seesaw. In this program, what we're trying to understand is if there is any truth to this claim, and if so, how can we break this seesaw? How can we produce consistently high quality wines and in high yield?
We've got 3 institutes involved in the program, so Plant and Food Research, Lincoln University and the University of Auckland. So the program is divided up into 4 main impact areas. The first, which is really important and pivotal to the program, is about defining what a quality Pinot Noir wine is to both a wine expert and also to consumers.
And of course we have to get consumers that are also engaged in wine and in red wine and in Pinot Noir, because they have their own knowledge and ability to describe that wine in their own unique consumer language. The main challenges in the researcher is how you actually get really good understanding of wine in a way that is easy to translate to both what the industry needs to hear and wants to hear and information that they can use, and also collect that from consumers in a way that is not putting words in their mouth, not changing their perceptions by the way you're actually asking those questions.
The second area, impact area, is studying all the viticultural and winemaking factors we can that might contribute to that definition of quality.
So we're trying to find out what the fundamental biological and chemical controls of Pinot Noir quality are. Some of the challenges to our research is it's that multidimensional approach, linking between the field, potted vines and our berries, trying to get that broad overview across those 3 disciplines, and really understanding the environmental interaction with how the plant grows, because that has a huge effect in terms of how we push and pull that yield quality seesaw.
The third key area is around the chemical characterization of quality. So on one hand, we're looking at sort of the sensory and the perceived aspects of quality, but we're also wanting to understand what the chemistry might be behind those quality attributes.
The 2 main classes of molecules that we are actually considering spans across the volatile range of molecules, so what we would consider aroma compounds, and then the heavy molecules, the ones that are contributing to the characterization of taste, mouthfeel and color. By integrating this chemistry module with the other component of the program, the sensory and the viticulture, the more plant-based, we're hoping that these biomarkers could actually lead to a better and objective definition of Pinot Noir quality.
And then the fourth aspect is integrating all that work into an impact statement we've called validation wines. And so that's essentially about trying to bring all the knowledge together, recreating some wines in a controlled way that we will then put back out to the program and test whether we are moving towards or further away from those definitions of quality.
What's novel about this research is really delving into those mechanisms, trying to understand the underpinning biochemistry, biological processes that drive our yield and our quality in our Pinot Noir in the New Zealand context.